Don't let us go if the keg gets back up.
Realizing how much harder it is to turn on a tracer like this. Got it? What the fuck happened there? Get them back. A lot of suppressive fire. Just hit that room with suppressive and let them get in there and fucking go. Up, 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 up.
To your left, to your left. One guy to your left.
Watch in there, watch in there. So I was in the keg room. Hit. Hit, hit, hit. Or am I getting hit from the side?
One in the building, or behind the wall, one straight in front of the window.
I was gonna drop a grenade, I got fucking shot.
Alright, let's go. You wanna go drop the grenade right in the building?
Yeah, I was trying to get in there and then I got hit.
Hit! They charged me. Hit!
Anything in the building?
No, there's one on top, one in that there.
Yeah, you got one up top here. That one. Oh.
Watch it, window.
Oh.
Grab it. Let's go.
Cover.
Go.
Up the ramp.
Go.
I got hit. Woo.
You guys.
I got hit.
Bang.
Hey, I got hit back there.
Okay.
He's got hit back here. Yeah, I moved it back.
Grab it.
I got hit. I moved back. Yeah. Coming across here.
I can feel it.
Coming across here, I got hit.
He came here, he got me in the leg.
I got hit over there.
Yo, the guy who was up top got you, but
No, that's why I pulled it back there. I felt it get hit. I'm getting dragged by this guy. I'm like, I got hit.
As soon as I saw it, I'm just like, no! I was gone. Oh, you guys are fucked. How did you get that?
Huh? No, I got hit back there, so I dragged the barrel back and set it back down.
I was putting so